Hey guys, it's Mary. My Simon Says stamp order came. This is the club order. And this is the kit for April. So let's dig in and see what we've got. Oh, I forgot. Yes. This box comes with 2 full-size containers of Stickles glitter gel. How cool is that? This one's called Galaxy, and this one is called Venus. Look at those. I can't wait to use those. All right. So if I recall, there should be another full-size range of product. Let's put this box away. And let's open up. Maybe. Yep, there it is. This is a full size of the new Tim Holtz Distress Oxide in Saltwater Taffy. I'm pretty excited about that. Just these are probably worth around $21 alone. And the box is, I think the kit is like $35 or something like that. So, well worth the money. All right, so I decided that for some reason all of the craft companies got together, and I'm not the only one that thinks this, and said, hey, let's make March and April party month. Everybody's got birthday parties, all kinds of celebrations. So, and Simon Says Stamps is no different. So as usual, comes with a 6x8 clear stamp set. This one has a balloon trio die, dimensional stars embossing folder, some single-sided paper, Venus Stickles, Galaxy Stickles glitter gel, 2 sheets of, it says white Yupo paper, and 1 sheet the Distress Oxide, and then 1 sheet of Neenah. So this is the Neenah. This is really cute. Really cute. So that's the Neenah, and this is the Yupo paper. And let's take a look at the paper. All right. It's single-sided, it says. And so look at how cute. Little misshapen, like little bubbles or rocks. Roller skates. Daisies. Geometric pattern. This is cute. Little lightning bolt like. Oh, hearts are cute. Hearts are very cute. Girls. This is like a retro pattern. Ice cream. Looks like seeds, like watermelon seeds. Different kind of daisies, stripes, work for it, treat yourself, good times. Oh, little glitter balls, that's funny. Another little retro piece of paper. Little confetti, and then cherries. So that's a good selection, that's cute. Here is the die, and it's a 3-piece die. 3 different balloons. They all have that little, where the light like shines. And then this, I don't know if you'll be able to see this. This is a 3D, and it's stars, which stars you can use for so many different things. 4th of July, Veterans Day, celebrations. And I don't even think I own an embossing folder that has stars. So that's going to be cool. I like that. And then the stamp set. And the stamp set is called Life is a Party. They're always 6 by 8 stamps. And it has the balloons, little heart sunglasses, the little strings of the balloons, little banner, confetti, just little circles. It says today, hey, is going to be a good day, is all about you, is your dream. So today would go with those. Shine brightly. Life is a party, or time for a party. It's your birthday. Let's celebrate. Time to party. I love the XOXO, and that can be used on anything. And then there's a just a thin line, straight thin line, little speech bubble with hearts. Hey. So this is a real cute one, and definitely with these, between the stamp set, the embossing folder, the 2 stickles, and the Distress Oxides, more than worth the price of the kit. So that's a cute one. They use the pattern paper, and then the balloons. This one she just used the little circles that have like little distressed edges. That's a pretty simple one. I like that, the way the balloons are. She used a striped paper and made the balloons out of those, so that's cute. So that's it. I'm happy with this one. I don't think there's been one that I've been unhappy with. So I think you can still get this if you're interested. If you go to their website, it's the April Life is a Party set. I haven't been there in a while, so the last time I checked, it was still there if you're interested. So if you picked up this kit, if you picked it up as a single one-off, or if you have a subscription, let me know in comments. Let me know if you've used yours yet. Mine just came, so I'm not sure if they're still just shipping them out or not. So, but that's it. Excuse me. I am happy with it. So that's it for this time. Thanks for watching. I always appreciate the time you take to spend some time on my channel. If you're a subscriber, thank you. If you're thinking about it, you can click that subscription box or hit the like button if you're so inclined. There's also a bell to get notifications. Excuse me. I don't know what's wrong with my throat. Anyway, so, oh, that's better. So until the next one, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Thanks for watching.